Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide loop read more buttons for out of stock product in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. So this is our out of stock product and then you see read more button. So we are going to hide it. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. So scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page. This is our out of stock product. Now refresh the page. And then you see read more button hide for out of stock product in shop page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.